this thing for you, to make my feelings change. I got this thing for you, to make my feelings change. Cause I like the way you make me feel so incredible, amazing. Blessings to you. Happy Sunday. We are finna go jet skiing to Catalina. I'm tired as fuck. I probably look crazy. It's 8 in the morning, but I didn't go to sleep till like 3:30, and then like the night before I didn't go to sleep till like 5:30, but like woke up at 8, and just like today I woke up at 8. I woke up at 7, so I'm like, I'm very delayed on sleep, but it's all good. I'm finna go check in.
Zipper goes in the front.
Zipper goes in the front.
Oh, yeah, real cleavage. It was all wet.
Yeah, we wash them every night.
I know. It's already.
Feel free to put any big stuff in the front, and then the one under the handlebars.
Like a Power Ranger.
Okay, where's the club?
Not the club.
All right. Oh, I guess he's over there. The hood is open. I'm gonna go try to.
All right.
Feels good?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Do y'all have shoes?
Yes.
If you can find any that fit you.
I didn't even look at. All right. Which one's mine?
You're doing Wolverine back here in the corner.
Step right here. You step right down here. Yep. Step right on. Step right on there. Yep. You're good. And then you grab whatever you need out of there. If you want to keep water tight, it's going to go right in there.
My phone all wet and shit. Slow. Bro, I was going like 18, maybe. Oh shit, I'm going in reverse. So we about halfway there. They said we can see the island in the distance. I don't like this shit. Out here bouncing and hurting myself. What? I'm talking to myself in my video. Say hey. I don't like this shit. Sorry. See, I ain't getting off this damn jet ski until we reach land. I need some of this. No thanks. First, I was going way too slow. It's like, you gotta pick up the pace or I was gonna get seasick. Ooh. I already feel seasick, low-key. I'm just ready to get there. My hands are killing me. I'm like gripping on, and every time I hit a bump, it's like, whoo, and I scream. The dogs. Oh my goodness. Y'all, oh wait, hold up. Don't come and shit. One thing about me is I love dolphins. All right, so now we're over here with this beautiful cave. A lot of people jumped in to go swim through the cave. It's on me. Like I was saying, yeah, people jumped in to get in the cave, but I was not doing that shit. Come on. I wasn't doing this shit. They said 30 feet. 30 feet to jump in. I don't think so.
I tried it, and God said no. So I came back to my objective.
God said no.
God said no.
The weight of God said no.
God said no.
Yeah, apparently the ocean was very heavy. 30 feet in, I'll do 3 feet. 3 feet of water and I'm cool. But 30? I don't think so. But anyway, yes, I think the island is right over here in the distance. So we're about to go. Yep, you hear them? We finna be on the island soon. Yo! Yes! Edie! Y'all, I haven't been on the island in so long. How it feel, girl? What? All right. We have made it to the island.
Made it.
Girl. Now I'm gonna get my shit. Alright. I know. So I'm gonna take off my swimsuit. I mean, wetsuit over there. The ride was shit for me. Everybody, I'm sure, had fun. No, I told you I'm taking my stuff off over there. It was cool or whatever, but I am tired. That jet ski. I would have preferred to go like 10 to 15 miles per hour. These bitches are going 50. I'm like, bro, y'all got me fucked up.
As long as you use them to your benefit, you seen what's the best thing? Hello.
Now get your boots and your coat. I need some hand sanitizer, that's for sure.
We just washed our hands. To have it?
No, I just did that cartwheel.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
I didn't realize it was something like that. Is it strong?
No, but it's good.
Alright, let's see what this talking about.
Oh, that's good. Alright, finally got our food.
Went to the bathroom, then came up.
This shit took a whole hour to get to us. And it's like peasant food. Like, they must only got one cook in the back. I don't know. We just ate and took some pictures on the island. Hold on.
It took 2.5 hours to get the food. So now it's time to go.
It was the whole majority of us here being here was eating. Because I guess they only had 2 restaurants. Okay.
We got everything.
I guess they only have 2 restaurants over here on this side, so yeah. Oh, you want to go to the store or no? Damn, girl, they have hot pizza.
We could have ate that shit.
I didn't see it until now.
2 hours? Shit. You couldn't do nothing. You barely cooked out.
Literally. Hot pizza. Your choice. Aww. That probably would have been way faster. Oh well. That's okay. Next time. But I ain't coming on a jet ski next time. To fuck all that. We finna ferry over here.
This is the best jet ski class in the world. Oh, everybody down there but us.
I'm tired. I am
Hot pizza, your
exhausted.
choice, cheese, pepperoni, supreme for $14.
Is it a whole pizza or one slice?
It's just a 2.
But I do want to see what they have.
The best
Can we go in real quick? Hold up.
What time is it?
1:20.
No, it ain't.
I'm guessing. I just want to see what they got in here.
What the hot pizza?
They probably got it back there. I don't see no trinkets. Nothing I would take back. Those are cool.
You want some?
Yeah, I don't see nothing. They have more on the other side, on the other island. He's still talking about the hot pizza. Hello.
Oh, boat stop. Oh, we happy like we just smoked the juice. You don't need to smoke weed. There's a lot of rocks up in here. Catalina Island is really a little bit overrated.
This is just this side.
Oh, the other side, they got all these rocks and shit?
It's lit on the other side.
The shells and stuff, the shells and the rocks just fucking your feet up. This is not paradise. This shit is, Gilligan them can have this.
Gilligan, not Gilligan.
They can have this.
I think I'm gonna go barefoot this time.
No, but look at that. That view is dope.
Love you.
This view.
Oh yeah. Right here.
Looks like a picture that's in your grandma,
Damn girl. For real, we should have taken it right here. Or like right there.
Look at that.
It looks like we in Tulum, Mexico. It looks like we in Mexico. We finna head back. I'm gonna let you know how I feel after driving back. Okay, y'all, so we're back. I look crazy. I got a whole bunch of salt water in my eye. Coming back was rough as hell. I was cussing her out in every language you can think of.
It was dope.
Man, I hurt my wrist. I hit something like it. Boom! Hit, and my wrist is killing me. But I mean, you know, if y'all looking for an adventure, I would suggest it. If you're not,
Okay.
don't do it.
It was awesome, amazing.
You know,
Nose running, eyes look crazy, but it's
eyes
worth
red,
it.
salt water. Literally every 5 seconds was like salt water, salt water. I'm like, bro, I cannot see. But yes, thank you guys for watching. Peace.